Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. The market kind of green today. Bitcoin not so far from the all-time high, and today I want to talk about a LayerZero targets updates with my custom set. Let's dive in. All right, guys. So like you can see, the Stargate in top gainers today, and the LayerZero. Why it's happened? Because of the LayerZero Foundation proposed 110 million Stargate to buy the bridge of Stargate, and the Stargate DAO governance have a 7 days, I guess, to for decision, and that's why, based on this news, the Stargate pump it, the LayerZero pump it, they will convert the tokens, STG token, into zero with some ratio. Basically, initiation accumulation pump model still irrelevant, guys. All targets are relevant, and I'm waiting anyway the $3.87, $4.08, and $4.93, and maybe new all-time high. The market capitalization now so low, basically, for the token like this one, but FDV, it's just a madness. Guys, take a look. Almost 5 billion FDV with 274 million market cap. It's just insane differences. And take a look. Only 11% in circular supply. It's kind of weird, guys. That's why be careful with this type of token. Track the unlocks. So in the next 8 days, we will see the unlocks, track the fundraising rounds of this token. There's no prices, right? At what price did they buy it? But guys, it's kind of weird. 11% tokens unlocked only in circular supply. That's why, and the highest market capitalization, almost 2 billion market cap. I can't even imagine the FDV at that prices. That's why, guys, all eyes anyway, like speculation, this token, I guess, will be delivered to the right targets in the right moment by market makers, guys. We'll leave the actual lows here. So this is the actual lows, and I guess in the next cycle will drop under, maybe even under $1. Definitely. So we're gonna sweep this low, like March, somewhere 405. The low was $1.48 and 4, and $1.49 and 4. So 1 cent difference. So we'll leave the actual low. So we'll not grab that liquidity, but bounce it exactly at the best zone to buy. So if you track the first video about a LayerZero, what I posted around here on the next day after listing, you knew all targets before. Basically, now we bounce up from the OK zone to buy. Based on this model, based on this strategy, the new all-time high, I think we can see the new all-time high for this token. But from this current prices, it's not a big gains, like 200% gains to hit new all-time high. So we can trade long-term period in consolidation, right? So just in case, the best zone was here. $1.52 was comfortable price to buy. At $3, you can fix the profit, you mean without initial deposit, if you bought it exactly with the limit order by this level. So $3.87 for $4.08. It's a swing trades zone to fixation. Monthly time frame, anyway, the zero will be here. $4.83, the test of 0.8661 low by fee, 4.93, the fulfill of monthly gap. So, we got a like swing trade zone for fixation like a magnet. We got this marketing news like a trigger to deliver the price to this block, and the monthly gap also like a magnet. So the perfect scenario for the LayerZero is something like this one and new all-time high. It's hard to say. Maybe $10. We're gonna reach the $10 price. Possible, basically. Weekly time frame, guys. Anyway, this order flow. If this was order flow and this was the last bottom for this order flow, let's hide this FIP and draw just another one. So anyway, we'll bounce to 452 to close the 50% of this downtrend. In the next I don't know, next bottom can be like 38 cents and even lower. We will see. Now, guys, all eyes, on this possible range. I don't think so. We're gonna drop like this one in September, but anyway, that's equal lows like a magnet also. So if you want to buy the zero based on this news, you know, we're just bounced not so far from the okay zone to buy. So if you're not sure, you can buy now, for example, $2.47 and add limit order on a sweep of equal lows like $1.35. So your average will be like $1, I don't know, $1.60, for example. So anyway, the monthly gap will be like fixation of the profit. I skipped the LayerZero. I don't like this tokens with the kind of small amount of tokens in circular supply, only 11%, with the upcoming unlocks with 250 million market capitalization and the FDV around 2.5 billion. So I skip this token. I don't like this hype and narratives about the layer 1, layer 0, layer 2 and all of this stuff when venture funds just dump the price. I already in. I'm stocking at Starknet wanted and Iowa, but Iowa, I guess my entry is pretty good one. It's 13 cents, so I think Iowa will hit even the $1. So I think everything will be okay because Iowa tokens already unlocked it, right? And take a look. I'm not comparing, you know, the Iowa was with this one with layer 0, but take a look. 91% tokens unlocked, 95 million capitalization, FDB 104 million capitalization, and compare the layer 0. So where the potential, the bigger potential for investment and the pump. Just think about it. So it's not financial advice, guys. So take a look with my customer said what's going on now with the LayerZero. This token in accumulation, so I think the distribution will be around here, and maybe even $10. So we will see something like this one on ADZ, like usual, with a 3 drives pattern divergency. So yes, we get still get a room for pump. Yes, I think with a great marketing, they will deliver the price to the right targets with the zero. So on total 8 years of the people hop in and start talking about a $20, $10 not enough, $50, $100, and all of this stuff, guys. Direction, this is not a time to sell, so time to sell will be here. So still early. Daily time frame, guys. Take a look. Daily, of course, the reward can be open with the warranty. You know, August, September can be the top of the top around here. Take profit now, it's $2.80, exit line $3.17, and the test of zone of fixation, first test of monthly block can be with the warranty on a daily. Here was a buys from the whales. So the big guys accumulated. So of course they knew more than us, more than we are now. So here the buy line is kind of interesting, $1.41. So the test of the buy line in September, if we will see the test of the buy line in September, $1.41, it's a sweep of equal lows. That's why, guys, if you still not form the portfolio, you know, just better wait the tokens test of the buy line, not when we bounce it already, when we already bounced like 73%. Better wait someone. If your main goal is to make money, you know, don't fall in love in some tokens. Just find some asset, you know, in a good zone of accumulation and invest in it. Take profit not so far. We're gonna test $2.61 is gonna be the test of take profit line on a zero. $2.95 it will be the exit line. So that's it. I also not recommend you guys to open short here because it can be like here over than 10% stop loss. Yes, 50% potential short position, but kind of risky because they can push the price so high based on this news about Stargate in the next 7 days, and after that, if they will approve it, you know, it can be pretty good marketing move, right? Market move, guys. Daily. This is Apria. Time to buy in here in accumulation zone, weekly time frame. Disbelief. Yes, that's why I think around here, around monthly gap, we will see Apria again. Gotta take a look, guys. Money power. Now nothing. This is just accumulation without any main money inflow. On the weekly, June, it was the RSI bullish divergence, so $1.49. We bounced it just to $2.59, so not a big deal. Daily time frame, yes, money inflow being here at the beginning of August. Now nothing, no money outflow, no money inflow. So better skip if you're not sure. Last indicator, guys, trade on, buy, recommendation, close position, take profit from that swing trade buy, and soon we will see the signals to sell. So you can add alerts and track it. Weekly time frame, no days. No data, I mean. If you'd like to trade with my customer, because I would have showed in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.